Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be going to show you a new RDP method using Google Cloud. So we'll search for Google Cloud, press enter, then you go to the first link, which is the Google Cloud. So you'll be taken to a page like be taken somewhere like here. So you go to the console side. So this is the most easiest way to deploy and remote desktop using Google Cloud. So make sure this terminal here is activated. I have some problems here, but I can just sort them out. So just click on that project. I hope it brings me the shell because I've already activated this sign over here, which I'm clicking on. That's the shell. Or if it doesn't, now we'll just do like this: new project, then you activate shell cloud. So it will come right over here at the bottom. So I can expand for you it to come to this new tab over here. Okay, just have to wait a little bit. So this just takes some little time to complete. Okay, completed. Maybe I can close on this one. Let's just use here. So we go and copy this code. I'll leave it as a description. We copy, then we come and paste it here. That is Ctrl+V. Then we hit enter. So I had already run this one. So what you go ahead and do, change the port to 60, 70 and change and preview. So you'll have this one, you'll have this RDP, you'll get a page like this one. So that means everything is okay. So you can go right ahead and see internet. So this is a Linux, can say a Linux machine. Yeah, that's a Linux machine. So as you can see, you can see the location. You can go to this site, war.net. I don't know how you say it, but that's how I say it. So as you can see, so it's a US server, 100% free. So that's it. So to check the speeds here are very crazy. Can go up to, let's see, let's visit fast.com. Let's visit the site. We see the speeds. Yeah, those are the speeds. Very crazy. So this is a very reliable one. It has no time limit. You can just use it as long as you want, but the problem is you can't install any apps. So this is the RDP itself, the remote desktop, but a Linux version of it. I'll just do my best and find the Windows version. I know it can be very helpful because Windows is more reliable in some ways. So thank you for watching. Make sure you have liked and make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment so that we can help each other. We find new methods all together as one. So thank you for your time.